art project.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Lincoln and I are going to show you how to make fireworks as an art project. So we have toilet paper rolls, we have paint, optional is glitter. If you don't have any, it's fine, and some paper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make firework stamps out of our tube rolls. So we're going to cut, we're going to make little cuts all the way around, okay? You want to do that, Lincoln?
Yeah.
I'll get some paint out. There we go. So we have red and blue paint for 4th of July, but you can use any colors that you want.
I have one question.
What?
You know how when they blow up the fireworks, they make like shapes and stuff, like a star? Are we going to be doing that?
No.
Okay.
Here. All right, go ahead and do that to that one too. So once you have your cuts done, you just fold up the pieces, and this becomes our stamp
Oh, I see what
for
we're
a
doing.
firework. You can also do flowers this way if you want to.
I've done flowers that way.
All right, good job.
I know, you're going to paint.
I'm not going to do it. You're going to do it. All right, so we have our paint on a flat surface and our stamp. Here, you want to do a blue one?
Yeah, I want to do a red one.
Okay, or do a red one.
Yep. So I just dip it in?
You dip it in, and then you kind of want to get swish around a little bit so that you get paint on all of it. You might have to kind of push the sides down depending on.
And it doesn't matter if you get dirty. Getting dirty is fun.
Getting dirty is fun. And then you stamp it on your paper, and again, you might have to kind of push down those petals a little bit. All right, let's show. Good job. And you have
Fireworks!
sunbursts. So go ahead and do another one, and then we can sprinkle some glitter on if you have it.
And what you could do if you wanted to draw a line from the fireworks so it looks like it's blowing up.
You could use your finger. I'm gonna do that.
Me too. You don't have to if you don't want to.
Oh, I like yours better. I like you doing the little stamps better. You want to do another one?
Yep.
They can overlap because fireworks are just random in the sky.
Yeah. Blue should overlap red and red should overlap blue. And I'm gonna go kind of. Well, I don't want to overlap it too
There you
much.
go. And when the paint is wet, you can just sprinkle the glitter right on if you have any.
Hi, look at that. Yay. I want some golden
Do some
glitter.
glitter? Yeah, do some gold on there.
Ah, the whole key came out.
Yeah, there's a lid.
The key.
Just
I
open the
know.
lid.
Trying to get the lid open, but it won't come off. You may need some help if you want. Yeah.
Go for it. Put some gold glitter on there.
My red. Sprinkle that everywhere.
Go everywhere. And then kind of shake it off all the garbage. And there's our
Fireworks.